Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie. I'm so very butterfly. Oh my, a little bit scary, but only just a little. Today's video is going to be one that I've done on this channel plenty of times, but I haven't done in quite a while, and it is my Splendies video. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, Splendies is a subscription underwear service I get every single month, and it's super awesome. For an affordable price, you get 3 pairs of cute underwear sent to you each month. You don't have to go out to the stores. Still dangerous to do that anyways. You don't have to worry about things being sold out, and you don't even have to stress about trying to remember what you already own and what you want next. This video is unsponsored, however I do get Splendies sent to me every single month for free, but my reviews are always honest, and I honestly have been loving Splendies for over a year now. I'll leave additional information in the description box down below for you guys to check out if you want to learn more about Splendies and get your own subscription. But we're just gonna get right into the haul for the month of July. But before we do, make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well as turn on the post notification bell. That way you never miss when I upload a new video. And follow me on my social media handles at Glamanisto8 pretty much everywhere. That way you can see behind the scenes content and other glam and ratchet parts of my life. Alright, now let's get into everything. So I haven't done one of these videos since I moved, and my closet is still under construction. Before I get into the July package, I am going to quickly show you guys the package that I missed for the month of June, and I'll insert some short clips of those underwear right now. Okay, time to unbox the next 3 pairs. I'm so excited, you guys. If you've seen these hauls from me before, you know how much I love Splendies. And these pairs all look so cute and so comfy. So the first pair of underwear, bam, she's bringing it with the sheer. So this is really cute. It's like a navy blue pair, very lacy. It has this cool, funky, kind of floral print, but very bohemian in the front with a little bow. You guys know I love my bows. And in the back, your booty is out. Okay. It's nice because it's bikini cut and it's still stretchy, and it seems like it's going to be a comfortable, non-itchy lace material, but you have a little sheer going on in the back when she's ready to play. Okay. The thing that I really love about Splendies, and I talk about this in all of my videos, is that they give you different types of underwear with every single subscription, so you're not stuck wearing the same cut, which is really cool. So the second pair is different because it is a thong. You guys know I don't really wear thongs often, just because I don't find them the most comfortable. They feel like butt floss, but they do come in handy when you're wearing leggings, and they might be a little see-through. Same with pants, anything you don't want to have panty line showing. So this is actually beautiful. It's a really nice blue shade, and the band feels very firm but still stretchy. It's just more secure than I was expecting. And then it just has a really nice lace trim on the front and the back, like so. And the third pair, your girl knows she's gonna love because this looks comfy and it feels nice. This is a burgundy, she's ready for fall already type of pair. It's like a bikini cut, but it has this really cool, what do you call this? This trim here is all around the underwear, stretchy like no other. And the material is almost nylon-like. It feels very nice and soft, and it's the same material throughout the entire piece. So yeah, my Splendies videos are always super short, but I just want to show you guys the underwear so you can know what you're missing. This subscription is one of the few subscriptions that I really love. You guys know I love like BoxyCharm. I really want to try Shoe Dazzle, to be honest, but let me know if you guys have tried it because I'm a little nervous. But yeah, I really love my Splendies subscription. I look forward to it every single month, and I love their underwear. Like, I literally am wearing their underwear 90% of the time. It's a really great subscription. Totally worth it. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know about the Shoe Dazzle thing if you guys would want to see a video on that, because I know Shoe Dazzle isn't new, but I've never tried it. And with all that being said, I will see you guys for my next video. Bye guys. Really, Rebecca? Right when I'm saying goodbye. Bye guys.